If waakye and fried rice were to have a baby, this recipe would be it. Hi guys, and welcome to Taste and Bloom. My name is Yasmi, and today I'm thrilled to be sharing this recipe with you. Sorghum leaves vegetable rice. Let's get started. So we're going to need some rice, any vegetables of your choice. I'll be using some carrots and bell peppers. I also have here some salt, powdered pepper, and soy sauce. I'll also use some sorghum leaves. These are the waakye leaves which you can find on most of our local markets. So I'll start by adding in some water in my saucepan, and then I'll go ahead and drop in my sorghum leaves and then allow to boil over just to get the color into the water. If this is your first time here, I'm so glad to have you. Please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. So I'm okay with the color of my water now. I'll go ahead and take out my leaves. Now I'll go ahead and add in my rice. Of course, you're free to top up your water if it is not enough. So here I went ahead to add in my salt, pepper, and soy sauce, but my camera refused to capture it, but you get the picture, I'm sure. So here my rice had been cooking for about 15 minutes on medium heat. So I went in to give it a good stir so that all the grains are equally cooked. So the next ingredient I'll be adding, I didn't show in the beginning because it was a request by my son later on. So then I went ahead to add in some sausages. I want to take this opportunity to thank all my amazing returning or old subscribers. I am so blessed to have you. I don't take your support for granted. God bless you all. So once the sausages are stirred in, I will leave it to simmer a bit for about 5 minutes before adding in my vegetables. Once my vegetables are mixed into the rice properly, I'll allow this to simmer off for maybe about 3 more minutes, and then my sorghum leaves vegetable rice is ready to be enjoyed. It can be served with shito, any stew of your choice, sauce, plantain, avocado. This is my plate. I had it with some beef sauce and fried plantain. I'll share the recipe to the beef sauce in next week's episode, so do make it a point to join me. But also, please leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this recipe. Please give me a thumbs up and share this video. And by all means, let's keep blooming.